municipal judge for the City of Dallas handling juveniles. I've been working here at the City of Dallas for the last 12 years as a judge. In 2002, I started handling juvenile cases, and the juveniles that I see are juveniles who have been charged with what we call gateway offenses. These are the juveniles who are here for minor offenses that could lead to more serious criminal behavior if we're not handling them at this level. And so the types of offenses that I see are thefts under $50 or $50 or under. I'm seeing curfew violations both day and nighttime because the city does have a daytime curfew to encourage that juveniles stay in school. I'm also seeing minors in possession of alcohol, minors in possession of tobacco, driving while under the influence, possession of drug paraphernalia, minors who are manifesting for the purposes of prostitution, and then of course your regular traffic offenses. Here, the juveniles come in with their parents for their very first appearance, and at that time, both the juvenile and the parent are explained what their rights are, that they have the right to have a trial and that they're being handled in a criminal court. The juvenile and the parent then get the options of how they would like to proceed once the rights are explained. Of course, they have the right to have a trial, or they can enter a plea and enter some of the diversionary programs that we have here at the court. One such program would be our teen court program, which would allow the juvenile to enter a plea of guilty, admit responsibility, and then go before their peers who act as judges, prosecutors, defense attorneys, and jurors. And they would, of course, sentence the juvenile to serve community service hours and jury service as well as counseling. A new program that we've created for juveniles would be similar to the teen court counseling sessions, but it's only for certain juveniles that the court's picking out or that I choose who are having some problems. And that program is where the juvenile will take classes as well as learn how to do community service so that they are volunteering and giving back to the community. And during all of this, they're building their self-esteem. So some of those classes would be etiquette classes, bullying classes, anger management, decision-making classes, occupational investigation, of course, and then going out and actually doing community service. At the end of the program, we'll have a graduation where we go and learn and use our skills that we learn, especially in etiquette. And of course, the program will include both young men and young women who are having some problems at home. Because some of the juveniles that I see here in court are here because they're trying to gain someone's attention. They're at home, their parents aren't giving them the attention, so they're committing offenses because they're bored or they don't feel like anyone's paying attention to them. One individual in particular that I had this week who her parent and her agreed for her to come into the program is a young lady who has, at 14, is beginning to be promiscuous. She's having sex with adults that she meet on the street. And one night her father and mom found two grown men in her bedroom closet. Did not speak English. As a matter of fact, they were deported by ICE once the police came out. One was 25, the other one was 30. So those are the types of things that she was doing, and it's all to gain the attention of her parents. And of course, mom has agreed for her to come into the program. And then I have another young man who was just totally bored. Mother works, single parent. He has no extracurricular activities at home, and his mother's agreed for him to come into the program because through the program, we'll be able to connect him to a male role model as well as learning these life skills.